Happy Monday everyone, Newborn Investor here and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully the market gives us some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. Also, it takes a lot for me to record these videos while I trade live. So if you appreciate the effort and the content, all I ask from you is to hit the like and subscribe button. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Pre-market, both SPY and QQQ gapping down. But looks like the markets have reversed. It's picking up some strength. So right now it's indecision. Not sure which direction the markets want to head today. But going into market open, as usual, I'll be watching Nvidia, Amazon and Tesla. Tesla trading above Friday's closing price, but Amazon and Nvidia staying below. No clear setups as of yet. I'll wait for market open to see how these stocks react to pre-market highs and pre-market lows and then define my trades based on that. We do have around 7 minutes to market open, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open. Look at how Amazon is popping up. Not ready yet. Just one level right now before turning red, so waiting. Not trusting this. I'll wait. I like Amazon to open up, not ready to take an entry in this candle because we just have one level before Amazon turns red on the day and we don't have enough volume to the call side. Tesla, I need confirmation. I don't have it yet. Markets are dropping. Very glad I did not pull the trigger on Amazon. Waited for confirmation. Did not see the follow through, so stayed away. Now if it breaks open and makes new highs, then I'll be interested. I think today it's gonna be a slow day. Would be extremely lucky if we get at least one trade. Watching Netflix, not given me a pop. 15 minutes into market open, no trades as of yet. Netflix as of now looks really good. We have multiple levels before turning green on the day. One more minute for this candle to close. Waiting patiently. $13.25, 10 contracts. Can I get it? I don't think I'll get it. Yeah. Got just one contract filled. Yep, I'm in. Added around here. Next add would be around 340. $13.85. Selling. Bought again. That is one hell of a mistake. My average is 13.45 now. Bad. Sell 5. Just getting rid of it because that was not I planned. Selling. Glad I got some at 1370, 1369 and 1350. I did not like how I executed the trade. The old mistake again. I bet I'm never going to use this trade window. I forgot to flip the switch. I added instead of selling. Bad. But at least I'm glad to come out of the trade green. I added at 1325 and the next 5 I added at 1385. Something I was never planning to do. On the trade, making $260. I'll take it. I think I just got lucky. Nothing to be proud of. No, I'll keep watching for a second trade. I had to step away for a while and I think I missed one opportunity on Tesla. And right now, things looks really slow. Maybe I have to settle for just one trade on Netflix. I don't want to overstay and go red on the day. So I'll call it a day. Overall, a decent day of trading, making $250 in one trade. I have no reasons to complain. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.